If you own an S corporation, paying yourself is not as simple as just transferring money from your business bank account to your personal bank account. Here's how it actually works and how most owners do it correctly. I'm also going to show you how to get a free $100 Visa gift card in this video. Now, when it comes to running payroll, what the IRS requires is that if you are an S Corp and you actively work in your business, the IRS says you must pay yourself as an employee. That means you have to run payroll, you must receive a W-2 salary, payroll taxes must be withheld and filed. The IRS also requires that you pay yourself a reasonable salary. That means you can't pay yourself a $5,000 salary and take $150,000 per year in distributions. Your salary should reflect what you actually do, your experience, and what somebody else would reasonably be paid for that role. And this is where working with a CPA really matters. They're going to help you determine what a reasonable number looks like in your specific case. How most S Corp owners actually do this is they do two things. First, they're going to pay themselves a regular salary through running payroll, and then they're going to take additional profits as distributions. That salary runs through payroll and is subject to payroll taxes. Distributions are taken separately and are taxed differently with no payroll taxes, which means in most cases at a lower rate. Now, in order to actually do this, you're going to need some kind of payroll software. Personally, I use one called Gusto. I've been using it for about 5 years for multiple different businesses. What a software like Gusto does is instead of manually calculating your taxes and filing forms, you use this platform to run payroll for yourself, automatically withhold and file payroll taxes for you, and get yourself paid on a set schedule with W-2s and the required forms being filed. Once it's set up, Gusto basically handles the entire payroll process for you in the background. And if you want to see exactly how payroll works for an S Corp, I've linked a video where I give you a step-by-step tutorial on how that exactly works. You can use that to get started. And if you use the Gusto link in the description below, you're going to get a free $100 Visa gift card when you run your first payroll. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.